Today we'll be making steamed taro cake. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. Let's start with our mixture. To your water, add in salt, 5 spice powder, white pepper, chicken bouillon powder, and sesame oil, and give it a mix. Now we'll add in our wheat starch and our rice flour. Then mix to combine. Now we'll set this mixture aside and work on our next part, our stir fry. In your pan, add in 2 diced Chinese sausages, add in your dried small shrimps, mix and cook until golden brown like this. Then we'll set it aside and work on our next part, our taro. In a heated pan, add in your diced taro. Then stir and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll add in our water, cover and let it cook for 8 to 9 minutes. Once soft like this, you can remove it from the heat and set it aside. Now we'll combine everything to make our taro cake. In a large wok, add your taro, fried sausage and shrimp, and mix. Pour in our previously made liquid mixture. Stir continuously and it should thicken up in about 10 minutes. Once the batter is thick like this, remove it from the wok and place it into your trays. Once you've filled both your trays, we're ready to steam. Place your taro cakes into your steamer and steam for 1 hour. After an hour, it's done steaming. Now let it cool for at least 4 hours. Slice into pieces and then we're ready to pan fry. Over medium heat, add in your sliced taro cakes, and pan fry until golden brown. And there you have it, your taro cake. Enjoy!